it's your girl, Serena Troublemaker Jade. We're here for another exhilarating tutorial. Though it's just a skirt pattern, so I don't know how exhilarating that is. But whatever. Yay! Another pattern or another sewing tutorial. Anyways, I feel like this when we're going to talk about fabric width, just simply because it is such a major thing to keep in mind. So as you can see here, I'm cutting out the skirt, but the skirt called for a 70-inch fabric width when my muslin was only a 40-inch fabric width. So what I mean by fabric width is the length of your fabric width-wise from one end to the other. Patterns will tell you which ones that they need in order for you to get all the patterns cut out. So you can see why having only a 40-inch fabric would cause me to have to get creative in cutting out my pattern. So when starting a new project, always keep in mind the fabric width, because that will come into play hardcore. Because if you don't buy enough of the fabric, then you're pretty much up shit's creek. And in cosplay, it's always hard, especially when you're making a costume, if you find like the perfect fabric and the width isn't what you need it to be. Usually I just double up on the fabric. I have a fabric addiction and it's pretty bad, so I always buy extra. So just make sure that you're keeping that in mind when going in to buy fabric. Otherwise, again, it's not going to be a fun time for you. Because I've been there and it was right before a convention, and that was just not that's not how I wanted to spend my time going out and buying more fabric, because I didn't buy enough in the first place. this video is actually really, really kind of hard for me to film just simply because of the fact that I'm not doing anything special in this video, or I feel like I'm not doing anything special in the video, so it's kind of like, why post it? And I debated with myself for like 3 weeks. Seriously, this video has been sitting on my desktop in Photoshop for about 3 weeks, and I'm going back and forth trying to figure out whether or not I should do it. And I've been working on it very slowly, just simply because I wasn't feeling very motivated about posting it. And then my mother-in-law flat out told me I should, just simply because I think she enjoys watching me work and whatnot through video. She's very supportive. But yeah. So I when I first did it, it was like 40 minutes long, and then I managed to get it down to like 9 or 10 minutes, and I was like, okay, that's reasonable. And even then, it still sat for about a week. But if you guys have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. I do enjoy answering questions, just simply because I've been there where I don't know what I'm doing. I still don't know what I'm doing. Lunar Lynn and Nunu cosplay and May's designs are always like people I run to. Oh, and Royal Goldfish too. They're always people I run to when I have like an issue and like I cry. But strangely on Loki, I got that all done by myself and I didn't really cry to them. And I didn't like sit there waiting by my phone to tell them what I did wrong. But yeah, so if I can help pass on any knowledge, sewing is a lot of fun, especially if you have somebody helping you. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this video, or to my channel. God, this is still so awkward. No, I'm just naturally an awkward person. But yeah, don't forget to do those things. Find me on Instagram. Stalk me. Okay, not really stalk me, but like what? Like look at my stuff if you want. I don't know. I'm gonna go now. Bye!